everywhere you look, someone is telling you different best workout split, right? Push-pull legs, bro split, upper lower, full body. There's no wonder why people get stuck before they even start. And the truth is, there is no single perfect plan, but there is a right plan for you. And in this video, I'll cut through the confusion and show you exactly which split fits your goals, so you can stop second guessing and finally start progressing. Now, let's start with the full body split. Listen, full body split is a great split if you're somebody who is over 40, maybe even over 50. And if, you know, your primary goal is not to put as much muscle possible as you can. You understand me? I mean, this is a split if you have a lot of obligations during the day, you know, if you don't want to do progressive overload, if your main goal is not to be, you know, super lean and super huge and super jacked, if you're not training any other additional sport on the side. Do you understand? I mean, if you just want to look good, healthy, fit, if you want to prevent every possible injury, then I would definitely say that you do full body. I would say I recommend highly to you 3 times per week. You know, more than that would be too much. More than that, your muscles will be overlapping and it will be counterproductive, you know. The second option is pull-push legs. I would say that this is the sweet spot. I mean, pull-push legs is a good split if you are a professional wrestler or a rugby player, or, you know, if you train MMA, kickboxing, whatsoever, then definitely yes, pull-push legs is a good option because it's really good for, you know, also putting muscle mass and burning fat. But personally, the side effects are that, you know, there is a lot of muscle overlap. I mean, for example, on one day, if you are doing pull, that is chest, triceps, and shoulders, it's going to traumatize all those muscles at once really, really a lot. Because I personally don't believe that you will be able to do, you know, with full intensity chest, and then after that, you know, shoulders, it's not going to be possible. Then later triceps, I mean, the triceps will be definitely impacted way, way less than it's supposed to be, because you will be fucking exhausted. I mean, it's absolutely not possible. And then on the second day, you know, if you do pull, if you do, for example, back and biceps, I mean, if you do a proper back, you know, training, biceps definitely will be suffering and you won't be able to hit it from every possible angle, you know. As I said, it's a sweet spot. It's kind of a balance split. I also wouldn't recommend it that you do more than twice a week, everything. As I said, you know, if your goal is to put as much possible big, thick, dense muscle on your overall physique, this is not the best split. If you want to really be, if you want to, honestly, you just to look, you know, jacked and vascular and decently full and ripped, and to have a proper, you know, body condition for any additional sport that you are doing, it's important that I say, if you're younger than 40 years, you know, of age, then this could be a good choice. But again, if the goal is hypertrophy, if the goal is bodybuilding, I don't think that this split is the best option for you. And the third is the old school bro split. This is the split that I personally like a lot. And the benefits of this split are, you know, that you are supposed to train one body part per week, and that you're supposed to recover from each workout at least 5 days. You know, you need 3 days until the muscles gets fully regenerated to the point where they were before, and you need another 2 days for the body recompensation. Therefore, this split is the best split if your goal is to put as much muscle as possible. Potentially, if you want to compete in bodybuilding and if you want to rest muscles as much as you can possibly rest them. But, you know, on the other hand, this split is not the best choice if, you know, you are over 40 or over 50, if you want to prevent injuries, if you have been injured so far, or if, you know, your primary goal is that you also have a decent amount of condition and aerobic activities while you're training. So therefore, you know, there is no good or bad split. The best split is the split that fits your personal needs. I mean, if you find a split that is making you happy, do that split. Do you understand? I mean, the whole process is supposed to be the process where you're enjoying while you're doing it. I mean, if you can do full body, you know, 3-4 times per week, if this is giving you drive, then do full body. You know, if pull push legs is something that really gives you the maximum benefits and you cannot imagine that you do anything else, do push pull legs. If you like bro split, old school split like me, do it. If you don't like it, fuck it, do whatever fits you. Therefore, the best split is the one that makes you happy, that one that keeps you injury free, and the one that you can actually apply. And if you like this content, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because my channel is brand new and this will really help me to grow and to bring you no more bullshit content like this. And by the way, if we didn't met, my name is Boris Kish. I'm a fully licensed IFBB fitness coach, nutritionist, and a super heavyweight bodybuilding competitor in the category over 100 kilograms. Welcome to my channel. And if you want to learn mistakes that most natural lifters are making, click on this video where I'm explaining you everything in details, how to prevent them, and I'll see you there.